بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 41. Part B. Use summary skills to complete the class paragraph. Healthy eating is about getting the correct amount of nutrients, protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals you need to maintain good health. Foods that contain the same type of nutrients are grouped together on each of the shelves of the food pyramid. This gives you a choice of different foods from which to choose a healthy diet. Students, complete this paragraph with these suitable words. Now, part C. Read out the text and choose the correct option. Number 1. Why should you not buy watermelon from the street vendor? Options are: option A, because of sweetness; option B, because of dirtiness; option C, because of flies; option D, because of juice of watermelons. So the correct option is option C, because of flies. Number 2. Why should you not buy Coke from this market? Option A, it is good for health. Option B, it is harmful for health. Option C, it is good for children. Option D, it is good for boys. So the right option is option B, it is harmful for health. Number 3. What can a person of good health do? Options are: he can work efficiently. Option B, he cannot lift weight. Option C, he can speak fluently. Option D, he cannot run. So the right option is option A. Number 4. What is healthy eating? Options are: good food, fruit, getting proteins, fat, carbohydrates, and vitamins, and milk. So the right option is option C, getting proteins, fat, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Number 5. What games are necessary to maintain good health? The given options are: football, hide and seek, football, cricket, and table tennis, and skipping. So the correct option is option C, football, cricket, and table tennis. Number 6. Which is the most important to keep our body at a healthy weight? Option A, eating. Option B, throwing the iron ball. Option C, exercise. Option D, milk. So the right option is option C, exercise. Number 7. Which of the following is your favorite sport? Options are cricket, football, badminton, volleyball. Students, here choose your favorite sport. Students, do page number 41, part C. This is your homework. Do page number 41, part C in book. This is your homework. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.